still handling Google Ads manually, then it's time for a change. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can stop handling Google Ad leads manually. So let's get started. To do this, what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to simply connect Google Ads with HubSpot CRM so that whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the lead details will be added in my CRM. And yes, I don't have to come back and again to my workflow to click on save and send test request or do anything manually. So let's see how we can create this amazing automation. To do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly for free and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. It is attached right over here. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Ads. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. You are going to receive a webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, as you can see, I've entered all the details, but I have to make sure that I also add the lead form. In order to add the lead form, just go on the see more and you're going to see the option of this lead forms. Open this and click on this add lead forms. Now you have to add in lead form. For that, you have to select the details you want to collect from your leads. After you select the details you wish to collect from the lead, you are good to go. Over here, we have to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect in order to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So for that, we just have to scroll, and in the end, you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this. It is asking for the webhook URL and the key. So just simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the key of your choice and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here 1 second ago. You're going to see we have the company name, we have the city, we have the phone number, we have the email, we have the first name and last name. These are the details which I wanted of my own lead. So as you can see, we have received the test details, and over here I'm just going to create a new contact in HubSpot using the test details, and then it is going to run perfectly fine for my real leads too. But you have to make sure that your campaign is in live mode. Okay, now just click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for HubSpot and select HubSpot CRM. For the event, select it as create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Now you have to make sure that your HubSpot account is logged in before starting with the automation. If not, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and if the account is already logged in, just choose the account and click on this choose account button. Once you do this, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe and secure with us, no need to worry. Now HubSpot is connected with Pabbly Connect and it is asking me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which we have collected from our lead. In order to fill in these details, just put a slash, search for the details and map it right over here. Why we are not entering these details manually? Because these details will change with every new response received. Yes, these are the details which are going to be kept dynamic, and in order to keep these details dynamic, we're going to map it. Mapping is a process by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So over here it is going to ask me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which we have of our lead. In order to map these details, what you have to do is you have to put a slash, search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this. You have to make sure that you only map this string value, then move on further and click on this save and send test request button. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request button, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in HubSpot CRM using the same details. So let me just open my HubSpot. Right now we have only a single contact, but when we're just going to refresh this list, you're going to see yes, a new contact is added right over here. All the details are exactly the same, be it the first name, be it the last name, be it the email, be it the phone number, be it the city, or be it the company name. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which I have created right now. Not only this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the data will be stored in my HubSpot CRM. Like this, I don't have to manually enter the data to my CRM because manual entries are prone to errors and very time consuming. Like this, I can save a lot of time and also save myself from lot of errors. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow. Apart from that, I'll just let you know that right now this discount coupon code can get you a maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is for a limited period of time only, so if you wish to purchase Pabbly Connect, do not delay. What you have to do, you just have to go on this purchase page, enter the coupon code which is RITYT, click on this apply, and it is going to get you the maximum discount right now. So yes, first try it. If you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. We are offering a free trial now. Okay, so go try this. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.